Hello?
Hey, is Jose there?
Yeah, it's Jose.
Jose, this is RJ Bates calling about your property there on 14th Street that you entered on my website. Are you still looking to sell that property?
Yeah, I have some offer, so I'm still calling.
Say that again?
Yes, I want to sell it.
Okay. How much you looking to get for it?
I don't know. I got to get it, I don't know, like 55.
55? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What's going on with the property?
The reason I'm selling because I just live in Georgia and I just like to fix it. I didn't fix anything. You know, they have new roofs and we start to put the sheetrock and all that. So the property, everything is okay. You know, the electricity, plumbing, and all that.
Right. So you said you started putting new sheetrock?
Yeah, no, we start putting new sheetrock, but I didn't finish. You know, we start to like flipping the house, but we live in Georgia, so it's really far away from me. Back and forth, back and forth. You know.
How much more money do you think it needs to be finished to be flipped?
I don't know, brother. You can just probably, I would say, new cabinets, let's say new toilets, I don't know, and floor probably. Because they have old floors, you know, probably you can just send them finished.
Right.
And I put the floors in the kitchen, in the dining room, and the bathroom. So probably, and everything else have a hard oak floor, 2.25, red oak.
Uh-huh.
So probably you can just send them finished, and let's say, I don't know, probably another 20,000.
20,000? Okay.
Yeah. Because the roof is new. It's only 1 year old.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And
the siding outside is still good.
How much were you going to try to sell it for when it was finished being flipped?
Say again, please.
How much were you going to try to sell it for when you were finished with the work?
You know, if I fix everything, I know that probably can be sell it for 150,000.
150?
Yeah, if I fix everything, I know I can sell it for that because I've already checked the market around there. The properties they sell it.
Uh-huh.
And it's 150, 160, something like that.
So I buy it from you for 55. I put 20 in it, and then I can sell it for 150.
I see the properties around, and they're probably more than that because it's almost 1,800 square feet.
It's 1,800 square feet. Okay.
1,780. Yeah.
1,780. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hold on 1 second. Zane, are you watching? Jamie, do you do stuff in Port Arthur? Okay. You know, I do see one at 148 at 1,892 square feet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's just right down the road.
Yeah, something like that. Some other property is more expensive. You know, depends on how you fix it. Everything you put it like granite and all that. Of course, go more up in the price.
Right.
Yeah, because I fix homes, so I know, you know, I buy properties and fix it and all that.
What part of Georgia do you move to?
I live in Lawrenceville, Georgia.
Okay.
Yeah, I live in this side.
Gotcha.
And I already buy another property here, you know, fix it. I know 150, now it's 370.
Gotcha. Okay, hold on 1 second for me. I think we might be able to make this work. Hold on. Jamie, I'm sending you a text right now. I see one comp that gives us what he says. You got any other properties there you need to sell, or just this one?
No, just that one now because the other one I have it rented. I have it somebody live there, you know, the other properties.
Gotcha. So if I say I'll do 55, you're ready to move forward?
Yes, sir.
How can we gain access to the property? Does it have a lockbox on it?
It's a lockbox there. Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. Let me see if I got your information here. I got What's a good email address for you?
You know, if you know either, I can send to my brother because he's gonna start to flip the home.
Uh-huh. So the other 3 offers, they didn't come in at 55. That's why you didn't accept them?
Yeah, so another one offered at 60. So, you know, but I want to sell it because I have another 2 offers they made me yesterday.
Uh-huh.
Like I said, my brother, he's going to start to buy properties to investments, you know.
Well, I'm going to send you a contract right now for the 55,000. So how do I make those other people go away?
Yeah.
I mean, if I send you a contract right now, are you going to sign it?
The what?
If I send you a contract right now, are you going to sign it?
Yeah. You say you want to go look at the house?
I'm gonna send you the contract. I'm ready to buy it. You told me I buy it for 55. I put 20 in it and I sell it for 150. That sounds like a hell of a deal.
You can sell it now because you know around there when you fix it, it's 150 now, something like that.
Right. So I want to buy the house. So how can I get you to sign the contract today?
Send me that contract. If I don't sign it today, I'll sign it tomorrow morning because right now I'm still working. But I want to check all the contracts done and we go from there.
All right. Well, it's 2 pages, so it ain't gonna take you long. So I'm gonna send it here in about 15 minutes. All right. Let's see if we can get it signed today, so those other people can leave you alone.
Yeah, because my wife has to sign it too because under me and my wife.
I got you. Then I need her email as well.
When I get home, we can sign it.
Okay. I'll send it to you. All right. Thank you. All right, bye-bye.